gamers of Hetty's Beauty Parlour, you know what it is. Okay, so thank you for coming back to watch more, and for my new subscribers, thank you, you are most definitely welcome. So today we have a hair tutorial, and it is themed how to wear your U-part wigs by Hetty's Beauty Parlour. Okay, so today in my salon I show you that yes, we do make U-part wigs for those of you who are not okay with wearing full wigs or lace wigs. Okay, so you can start trying wigs but in a more natural way. Okay, so this is our U-part. When you say U-part, it means a wig that is not fully sewn, and then this is the U. You get it? This is the U. Okay, so our U-part wigs, we have it in short, any length of your choice, whether straight, curly, or wavy. Okay, so this, for example, comes with 3 additional, clipping pins. Okay, so these are the clipping pins. Okay, so there are 3. These are what you use to hook your hair, and then it comes with additional combs to support the basement of your hair, like the neck side, and it also comes with this adjustable strap, so it is really secure. So today I'm coming to demonstrate to you how to wear your U-part wigs. Okay, so I am natural. Okay, so this is how you can do your hair pattern. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be neat or neatly done. Like however it's made, you can rock it. So if you want to wear your U-part wigs, I did the braiding myself, so you can do it, or you can help a friend do it for you. Okay, so here I have this. I have here already parted, and I'm putting it in cornrow. So I'm taking these parts off. This is where I'll put the natural hair on top, and then we will install this wig. So stay tuned as I do everything, and then you will see it. Okay, we will then open the clips. We'll open the 3 clips. You can tighten the adjustable straps to your choice. Size comes in S, M, and then large, and also extra large if you want to. Okay, so it is just simple. You put it on your head. Okay, you put it on your head like this, and then let me turn around. And then for the adjustable strap, it is already tightened, and for the comb, you just put it under your braids for that secured look. And then also here, what we do is we will attach to our braids. Okay, so this is one braid. Then you clip it. This is another braid. Then you also clip it here, and then the back one too, you clip it as well. Just take your time in. So now what we will do is we'll just take these braids off, and then we'll put it on using a tonguing machine. So stay tuned. Okay, so you can have your holding spray. It's optional if you want to have more volume, or for it to lay so well. I just spray it with a bit of, so that the curls itself would fall in place with the curls we have in the wig. So now you just can comb it onto it, blend into the wig. So okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's very simple for you guys to try your hands on our U-part wigs. They are very affordable. You could also bring your hair bundles for it to be customized and made into a U-part wigs for you. We also have already made ones and ready for shipping and ready for pickup in our salons. So hey, I hope you guys did love this video. You see, it's very natural. It blends out with my natural hair. I am natural. I don't have a permed hair, but I was able to straighten it and it's now blended in like it is permed. So you can see this wig, the short one. This is in 12 inches. And it is coiled, like you can also straighten it. We also have our longer one. This is 22 inches. Yeah, this is 22 inches, and it's also the same U-part wig. As I said, it comes with 3 combs, and then this comb at the end that you use to secure, and then adjustable stripes to tighten it, so it's really secure. If you are a first timer that you want to try wigs, you can start with our U-part wigs, and they are very affordable. So I end here, and this is our video showing or demonstrating to you how to install your U-part wig. So thank you. You can follow me on Instagram at Hetty Amens, and then on Facebook at Hetty's Beauty Parlour. You know what it is, it's our girl Hetty Amens. Mwah.